Hello everybody. We used to get attracted towards the successful person. We always used to copy their success. We want that their success should be in our life. And we are always fascinating towards the lifestyle, towards the richness, towards the all this prosperity. But do we know that how they have reached to that place? How they have achieved those things in their life? Our observation is of only minutes or 2 minutes or hour or 2 hour, and on based of that observation we used to contemplate the things, we used to see the things, visualize the things which may be correct or may not be correct. Every successful man has a struggle in their life. They used to struggle with the day and night, with the situation, with the time, with the challenges in their life. And then after they reach to a place where other one see them and used to think that how they have reached to that place. So let us know today a case study is there on different personality, and based upon the internet analysis on their biography, a case study is there which I am going to present in front of you people, that what are the traits, what are the qualities, what are the things that are in success people due to which they are now at the place where they are, and due to which they are being copied by the common people, or due to which the common people or general people used to follow them or used to think that perhaps, alas, if I have at that place. So number first quality of the successful people are they are not over emotional. They have control over the emotion. They try to first of all observe the things, analyze the things, draw the outcome, and then after they used to decide the things. At once on the base of emotion, at once on the base of any particular situation, they don't used to take the things as it is. First of all, they wait for the right outcome, right calculation, right observation. Then after they used to take the decision. Then after they move forward. So the first important attributes of the successful person is that they should have control over emotion. They have control on their emotion. Then only they have reached to that place where they are. So this was the first quality. Now moving to the second quality, which is very important, that they always focus on goal. Wherever they are, however they are, what the things they are doing, they know for what they are striving. They know the importance of the situation and they focus on the goal, how to move closer and closer towards the goal, how to reach nearer to the goal, how to get the goal, what are the ways, what are the modalities, how to reach it in a very closer manner, in a very refined manner, in a very precise manner. So the focus, the attention is very much precise towards the goal of, and this is the trait of the successful people, that they know how to hit the next. Number 3 trait of the successful people is that they always speak less compared to the listening. They used to listen more compared to the speaking. Why? Because once you start speaking less compared to the speaking, then you will start getting the things. You will start observing the things. You will start analyzing the things. And on the base of this observation and analysis, you will get out the right result. But more you are engaged in the speaking, then little you will analyze. So this is very important trait of the successful people. They always prefer to be a good listener than to be a good speaker. Only on a very important event, only from the dais, only on the demand of the situation, they used to speak. But in the most of the cases, they prefer to be listener. And they don't speak unnecessarily without any cause or without any reason for the just talk of merrymaking. So you will observe that successful people used to sit very alone, used to sit very cool, a very calm way. very silent way, because they want to be in himself or herself. They want to analyze the things. A good listener can be a good speaker. So this is the quality, this is the trait, this is the 3 number trait, which is very important. Now moving to the trait number 4. One of the criteria of the successful people is that they always used to save more compared to spending. Means whatever they earn, the quotient and the ratio of saving should be always more compared to the spending. And that is the way for the success. That is the backup theory. That is the things. Spending is the demand, but if you have more saving than the spending, then you will have appropriate amount for your future planning. Then you can grow yourself, the people whom you want to be seen grown. So this is very important trend. This is very important, that this is the quality of the successful people, that they used to save more compared to the spending. And that is their power, that is their uniqueness, that is their quality. So these were 4 number point. And moving to the 5th number point, that is they used to calculate the thing based upon the reality. All the calculation is based upon the reality. There is no magnification, there is no permutation, combination. Whatever the reality speaks, they believe on that. Whatever the demands are there of reality, they used to follow on that. And that's the quality of the successful people, because they don't used to contemplate or think that this will happen by any chance or any luck or any opportunity. No. These are the words of the failure people. Chance, luck, opportunity. Yeah. Successful people makes their chance, makes their opportunity, makes their luck by their hand, with their working, with their willpower, with their mindset, with their effort, with their continuous trying. So they always calculate the thing based on reality. Whatever the reality says, they used to believe in that. If the reality says it is not going to happen, they accept it. If the reality says it is going to happen, they strike for it. They strike on it. They strike the opportunity. And they smashed it. And they get out the result, whatever they want. So reality-based calculation is a unique quality, is a unique feature of the successful people. So this was 5 number point. And moving to the next, that is the 6th one. They understand the value of time. Somebody has said that time is money, and they know that the importance of the time. They know how much important time is. So they don't expend their time in unnecessary thing, with the unnecessary people, with the unnecessary event. How attractive it may be. They always focus on goal, and based upon that goal, they utilize that time. They know the value of opportunity. So they know the importance of the time, what to do in the particular time, how to utilize it properly, how to make this time to grow our opportunity, grow our business, grow our system. So this is the unique quality of the successful people, is that one of the quality that they know the importance of the time, the value of the time. And they know how to utilize this time in proper manner, in such a manner so that they can reach to their goal in a calculated time, in a calculated way. So this is one of the important quality of the successful people. Now, next, moving to the 7th quality, that is they understand the value of opportunity. Most of the people, you will put down or put forward some opportunity in front of them. They used to believe that, okay, let us see next opportunity. Let us see tomorrow, let us see after 2 months, 3 months, now I am busy. But this is not the case of the successful people. They understand the importance of the opportunity. If the opportunity has come, if the opportunity is in front of them, they know how to get it. They know how to achieve it. With their full mind, with their full body, and with their full emotion. So understanding the importance of the opportunity and trying to get it is a very efficient and a very effective manner, is a very important to get the success in the life and to success in the business or success in any sphere of the life. So this is the important quality, this is the important point. The successful people have that. They understand the importance, the opportunity, how much importance this opportunity is, how can it change the future course in the life, and how to strive for it, how to get it the opportunity, how to decode the opportunity. So this is the important quality of the successful people. That is to understand the importance of opportunity. Now moving to the 8th point. This is most important point. This is one of the points for which the successful people are there where they are. This is the correct decision. Only the decision is the important. Decision makes the people known to the world why they are, how they are. So decision is an unique feature, you can say that ultimate quality of the successful people, due to which they are known, due to which they are to the place where they deserve. So right decision based on all calculation, based on all things, based on emotion, based on calculation, based on reality, based on opinion. But anyhow, the correct decision is very important, and this is the important criteria of the successful people, is that they know how to decide the things in a correct manner. They are known by their decision only. So this is one of the important quality of the successful people, is that they know how to decide in a correct manner with the correct spirit, and once they decided, then that is done. Then they will move with that decision. So they also know how to implement the decision. So decision is very much important, and decision is a base for the success, is the base for the turning point in their life. So successful people know how to decide. This is important quality. And moving to the next quality, that is 9th number quality, and this is very important, and it is a very strong quality to which every successful person strive for. Always personal first, social later. Yeah. Any of the people, even if they are working in the social field also, they first prefer about their personal choices, the personal growth. First you grow personally, first you acquire the things personally, first you enrich your personally, then after you work for the social. Don't be social first and then personal later. Then you are not going to get the things as you decide. Then you are not going to create the history. The history is created, the history is written for the person who first maintain or build themselves, then after they are looking towards the society. So this is the one of the most important topic, most important point of the successful people, is that they first think about personally, they first decide about the things in the personal way, then after they think about in social way. So this is one of the most important, that personal first, social later. First think personally, then after think socially. So this was 9th number quality. And moving to the 10th number quality. The 10th quality is that the successful people know where to invest. Right investment, and investment is not in a money term, maybe the term, the investment is from economic field, but of course investment means time investment also, money investment also, and physical investment also, labor also. Successful people have a proper calculation where to invest. You know better that if some celebrity or some people used to do some social service, they also make sure that this should go in the media for the image building, for other purposes, for the social aura. So they know if they are investing physically, then they know how to gain our personal growth through this physical investment. If somebody donates in the economical manner, again they make sure that this should go in the public domain. Why for? Only due to reason that the people should know that I am interested, or I have donated so much amount in the public fund. So for the sake of personality build up or personal aura or professional growth, they used to do these things. So one of the most important criteria of the successful people is that they know where to invest in a correct manner, in a calculated manner, in an appropriate manner. And they don't forget to get out the investment from that, return from that investment. So this was 10th quality, and moving to the last quality, last but not least, that is 11th number quality. And this 11th number quality is that they always plan for the future in bulletproof manner. Future proof planning is there of successful person with a proper backup. What will tomorrow happen? What will day after tomorrow happen? What will happen after 6 months? What will happen after 1 year? They used to plan, and planning based on reality, planning based on scientific calculation, scientific processing of data. So they used to plan, and not only the planning, but with proper backup also. If this planning will not happen, if this planning will not materialize, if this planning will come short, then how we will back up to the point? How we will reach to with another planning? Another planning is also ready. So counter planning is also going on. Planning with the planning, and how to materialize those planning, how to give the shape to that planning. These all things are the trait of the successful people. They used to plan for the future with a proper backup. Future-proof planning is there. That is not going to be failure. And if there is failure, is chance of failure, then other planning is also there. So these are the qualities and traits of the successful people. If anybody follows this trait, if anybody cultivate this trait in themselves, gradually and slowly develop this trait, then of course he or she is going to succeed in the life, or he or she will reach to the place in the life where they are deserving, or where they are thinking to be there. So with that, this all things, again we will meet some more interesting topic. So till then, bye bye.